Yes, it does. There goes the vending machine, and I was about to fill it up. Oh, I'm gonna show you how I got these things open. I mean, not open, but that's what I like.
Hey.
I'm so sorry, woman. You're right. I took they got some work. Do some more work. Stop.
Really got workers.
Right. I'm gonna do some big anyways. No, you gotta move.
Oh shit.
That's why I said the thing big. You might not go to the other practice side. They doing some more. So now we got some gum. I don't know if y'all can see what I was saying about the gum. And we pretty much got everything in here, y'all. I'm gonna make another small store run for Pop-Tarts and honey buns, and that is it. But that's it for our run to the machine. Don't forget to close y'all machine and lock it. So we done locked it up. And you gotta make sure the green lights are flashing there, y'all. So that's how you know that it's closed and you ain't gonna be missing out on the money. So see y'all the next time when it's time to collect.